Tucked away on a quiet street in the lakes of Liberty Mills, this stunning home, built by John Schmucker Construction, has everything you've been searching for. Step inside to discover a floor plan where every inch flows effortlessly and is drenched in natural sunlight. Stay warm on crisp fall evenings by the gorgeous three-sided fireplace that anchors the large great room and breakfast room. The well-appointed kitchen boasts ample cabinet space, expansive windows, and overlooks the wooded backyard, and all kitchen appliances remain. Enjoy a friendly game of billiards in the daylight lower level and serve up snacks from the kitchenette. 3 generously sized bedrooms are housed on the main floor, with 2 bedrooms on the lower level to round out this exceptional home. Notable features of the master bedroom include tray ceiling and a jacuzzi tub in the master bath. Stunning hardwood floors can be found throughout, as well as a multitude of additional eye-catching features. Don't miss out on this amazing property. Call Tammy Baumgartner to make it yours today.